Welcome guys. In this video I want us to take a look and try and see if we can actually use deepseek to actually build a full functioning application, because we've all been seeing deepseek this, deepseek that, so I want to try and build something real. So I think, I don't know, what do you think we should build? Let's make a booking platform, maybe, yeah, let's make a booking platform. So the goal is, I'm going to give it one prompt and I'm going to tell it to make a simple booking platform with the back end and the front end, and everything must be just functional. And let's see if it will be able to actually build something just in one go. Let's see if that's going to happen. So let's say build a full stack application. What can we use? What's the latest tech stack? Let's use Next.js, Tailwind, CSS. What else? And I think, what's the best database? Let's use Mongo database to build a booking management app. You can make it look professional. What else can we say? We can make it look professional, and it must be able to make bookings as needed. I don't know. Let's see. So I told it to build a full stack application using Next.js, which is a JavaScript framework built on top of React. And we're going to use Tailwind CSS, which is another framework for CSS, and using Mongo database to build a booking management app. And I told it that it must make it professional, and it must be able to make bookings as needed. So let's see if this will actually work. And it's now generating. I don't know if you guys can actually see. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, so it's giving us our steps, what we need to do. Okay, we're installing the dependencies. Okay, so I want to see if at the end of this whole thing, will it actually work? Can a company push this project into actual production? So let's let this do its work, and we'll come back in a while. Okay, so now we are inside my VS Code, and let's try and install everything that deepseek has told us. So I'm going to start with step 1, which is installing Next.js. So I'm just going to copy what's over here, and I'm going to paste it here. So what this does, it's creating a Next.js project for us, and it will have everything that we need to be able to work inside Next.js. So let's wait for this to install. Okay, so need to install the following packages. Create Next app. So yes, let's proceed. Would I like to use TypeScript? No, let's keep it JavaScript. Is Lint? Yes. Would I like Tailwind? Yes. Would I like code inside my source directory? Okay, yeah, let's do it. My app router, yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, so looks like everything is installed correctly. Now that we are now inside our project, it has installed successfully. I think we need to go to step number 3, which is installing Mongoose. So let's just paste here Mongoose. And let's wait for Mongoose to install. And we are now going to step 2, which is setting up. So let's wait another 15 minutes for Tailwind to install. I think we're ready to move on. So the next step is we have to create this file. Okay, so we want to come here and we want to create this lib. I'm sorry, it's a file. So we want to create lib, and inside it we're going to have a empty file of db.js. And right here we're going to just copy this code and paste it here. Save this. And now we had to add, our step 3 says add MongoDB to the environment variable. So I must create a .environment local file. Let's go back, add a file. I don't know if we have no, we don't have. It's fine. Just paste it here. And step 3 says create the booking module. So we have to create a file called modules. A folder called modules, and inside the folder we will have our booking.js. So okay, that's fine. And let's just paste in the code right here. Save this. Let's move on to step 4, which says must create a booking API endpoint. So we must have a file. This file is named pages, and pages is going to have another file named API and another file named bookings. And inside this file, we're going to have create.js. I'm sorry. And inside, we're going to have create.js, and we're just going to copy and paste here. Step 3 is we're going to fetch all the bookings. So we're going to use index inside our page. Okay, so right here we're going to have another file, and this file is going to be our index.js. And we move on to step 5, where we build the front end. So we have our component, and inside our component we have a file. Oh my god, I pressed a lot of things at once. Okay, we have a file named bookings, and we're gonna paste this here. Save. I don't even know if any of these is going to run without any errors, because a lot can go wrong. Bookings form, and now we have bookings list to display, I'm sure. Okay, yes, display bookings. Copy this, paste it here, and we're now creating a home page. Index.js. So back to our pages. Let's create index.js. And that should be all. So now, when we run this, let's see what happens. Will we get any errors, or will it run smoothly? Okay, so finally, after doing everything as I was told by deepseek, I have installed everything. I have created each and every file where it's supposed to be. I think everything is fine. I followed the exact instructions. Now let's see if this will be able to run as expected, and if this will definitely replace software devs, and companies will actually use this for their development and trust that everything is fine using this, because I followed each and every instruction as given. So now for the big moment, I'm going to run this. Let me zoom in on it a bit. Okay, npm run dev. So let's run it and reveal everything. Oh, I'm not even recording this. I wasn't even recording, but okay, fine. Let's do it again. So I have completed everything. I followed each and every step, and now I think it's time to run it and to actually see what we've actually built. I've followed each and every step. I want to see the final output, because I didn't run it ever since. I was just following the instructions, putting things in place where I was instructed to do so by deepseek. And I think I'm now ready to actually see the output of everything we've been building, and let's see if this will actually take over developers' work, because they say AI is taking over dev work. So I want to see this. Let me copy this, paste it here. So it's compiling, and it takes us to the landing page of Next.js. So the routing was not implemented, so which means I have to figure out the routing and where does what go, which page goes where, so on and so forth. So imagine someone who doesn't know anything about software engineering or coding in general, and they use deepseek to actually program their own app, and they do everything. They spend all these hours trying to figure out what goes where, this file must go here, following the instructions as per deepseek, only to find that this is what they get when they run the app. I would be pretty annoyed. So I don't know. This is what I've experienced. I'm sure people can prompt their AIs to do much better than what I have. Maybe it's my fault. I didn't prompt it properly to route everything accordingly and to show me everything that I need to do. Maybe it's my fault. Could be my fault. But I just want to test it out, to test out what happens if you trust that it should do all the work for you. And this is the output, and I don't think this is a good output, to be quite honest with you. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys have built using AI tools such as OpenAI or deepseek and many more AI tools. Let me know, guys. Thank you.